Welcome to the DevSecOps Masterclass. I'm the Network Knight 007, and this is the one video your security team has been begging you to watch. Right now, code is shipping to production with critical vulnerabilities that a 4-second static analysis scan would have caught. By the end of this masterclass, you will build a complete, production-grade DevSecOps pipeline from absolute zero. DevSecOps is simple in concept. You take your development team, your security team, and your operations team, and you make them one team with one pipeline. The old model was, developers write code, throw it over the wall, security scans it months later, finds 400 vulnerabilities, and throws it back. DevSecOps shifts security left into every commit, every build, every deploy. The cost to fix a vulnerability in production is 100 times more expensive than finding it at code review. That statistic alone justifies every dollar you're about to spend on this pipeline. Before we build, let's understand the complete tool landscape. There are 50 plus DevSecOps tools, and most teams don't know which to use when. Here's the breakdown. For SAST static analysis you have SemGrep and CodeQL for free, and checkmarks or Veracode for enterprise. For SCA software composition analysis, meaning vulnerable dependencies, you have OWASP dependency check and Try free, SNYK for enterprise. For DAST dynamic analysis, actually attacking your running app, OWASP ZAP is the gold standard free tool. For containers, Try scans images. For infrastructure as code, Checkov and DevSec. For secrets, GitLex and Detect Secrets. Know your tools. Let's install SonarQube. This is your code quality and security hub, 30 languages, completely free community edition, unlimited projects forever. The number one mistake that kills fresh installs, forgetting to set vm.max_map_count. Run sudo sysctlw vm.max_map_count equals 524,288. Without this, SonarQube silently fails. Then bring up the Docker Compose stack you see on screen. Access localhost :9000. Default credentials are admin/admin. Change these immediately. Create a project, generate a token, store it in a password manager. You'll use this token everywhere. Now we connect SonarQube to GitHub Actions. This is the integration that makes security automatic. Every single pull request will trigger a SonarQube analysis. If the quality gate fails, if code coverage drops below 80% or a critical vulnerability exists, the build fails and the merge is blocked. You configure this once, and then every future merge is protected forever. The workflow on screen has 4 steps: check out with full Git history, build with coverage enabled, run the SonarQube scan, and the quality gate check that blocks the merge. SemGrep is the fastest SAST tool in the ecosystem. It scans 10,000 lines of code in seconds because it uses an AST-aware pattern matching engine. It understands code structure, not just text. The killer feature is custom rules. In 10 lines of YAML, you can write a rule that catches SQL injection via string concatenation specific to your code base, your patterns, your business logic. Install with pip install SemGrep. Run immediately with semgrep --config equals auto. This pulls the community rule set. For OWASP top 10 specifically, use semgrep --config equals p/OWASP top 10. Checkmark CXSAST is the most deployed enterprise SAST tool in banking, insurance, and government. It supports 35 languages and frameworks. The architecture has 2 main components. CX Manager handles the web UI, orchestration, and database. CX Engine does the actual scanning and can scale horizontally for large code bases. The installation sequence requires Windows Server 2019 or later, SQL Server 2019, and minimum 16 GB of RAM for the manager, 32 for the engine. Create the database with the exact collation shown on screen. CXDB won't work without SQL_Latin1_General_CP1_CI_as. Fresh check marks report 60 to 70% false positives on enterprise Java code bases. When this happens, developers stop trusting the tool and start ignoring all findings, including the real critical vulnerabilities. This is how security becomes theater. The solution is CXQL checkmarks query language. You override the built-in queries at the project level and add your company's sanitization methods to the whitelist. The CXQL query on screen reduces false positives from 65% down to 13% by telling checkmarks about your sanitize SQL, escape forkery, and parameterize methods. Checkmarks has a full REST API, and this is how you integrate it into custom pipelines or build your own security dashboard. The Python class on screen handles authentication with token-based auth. Checkmarks has a full REST API, and this is how you integrate it into custom pipelines or build your own security dashboard. The Python class on screen handles authentication with token-based auth, fetches scan statistics by severity, and implements a fail-if critical method that exits the pipeline with a non-zero code if any critical vulnerabilities are found. Authentication uses the resource_owner_client flow. You get a bearer token back that you include in every subsequent request header. DAST dynamic application security testing is fundamentally different from SAST. Where SAST reads your source code, DAST actually attacks your running application, just like a real attacker would. OWASP-ZAP is the gold standard free DAST tool. 3 modes: baseline scan is passive, fast, and safe enough to run against staging daily. Full active scan is aggressive, it will attempt to modify data, never run this against production. API scan uses your open API spec to test every endpoint systematically. The GitHub Actions workflow shown runs baseline on every PR and full active scan nightly against staging. Trivy from Aqua Security is the Swiss Army knife of DevSecOps scanning. 1 binary, 1 command, 0 configuration for basic use. It scans container images for CVEs, file systems for vulnerabilities and secrets, Git repos, Terraform, and CloudFormation IAC for misconfigurations, Kubernetes manifests, Helm charts, and generates software bill of materials in CycloneDX format. The GitLab CI pipeline on screen shows both container scanning and IAC scanning as separate parallel jobs, both blocking deployment on high or critical severity findings. This is the complete pipeline. The GitHub Actions workflow on screen chains every security gate, secrets scanning with GitLex first fail immediately on any finding. Then This is the complete pipeline. The GitHub Actions workflow on screen chains every security gate, secrets scanning with GitLex first fail immediately on any finding. Then SAST with SemGrep and CodeQL in parallel. Then SCA and container scanning with Trivy. Then the SonarQube quality gate. Each stage must pass before the next starts. Security findings go to GitHub Security tab via SARF format. This is what a senior DevSecOps engineer builds. Copy this file, add your secrets to GitHub Actions, and you have a production-grade security pipeline running today. Secrets in Git are one of the most common causes of cloud breaches. An AWS key committed 3 years ago. Still in your Git history, being actively scanned by attackers right now. The 3-layer defense, pre-commit hooks that block secrets before they enter Git using GitLex and detect secrets. CI/CD scanning that catches anything that slips through, scanning the full Git history with every run. And a secrets vault, HashiCorp Vault or AWS Secrets Manager, so applications never need secrets in environment variables or config files. Applications fetch secrets at runtime via API. Checkov is the most comprehensive free IAC security scanner. It checks Terraform, CloudFormation, Kubernetes, Helm, Dockerfile, and Ansible against over 1,000 security rules mapped to SIS benchmarks and NIST. The findings on screen are typical: S3 bucket without access logging, no KMS encryption, security group without description. These are the misconfigurations that lead to data breaches. Checkov catches them before Terraform apply before anything is deployed to AWS. Run it in pre-commit hooks and in CI/CD for maximum coverage. Most Docker images are a security disaster. From Ubuntu latest gives you 400 CVEs, runs as root by default, and has 140 megabytes of unnecessary attack surface. The secure alternative is distro-less base images from Google. The Docker file on screen uses a two-stage build. Maven in stage 1 builds the jar, but Maven, the JDK, and all build tools never appear in the final image. Stage 2 uses gcr.io/distributoless/java17 no shell, no package manager, no unnecessary binaries. The result, 51 megabytes, 1 CVE. A 98% reduction in attack surface. GitLab CI has DevSecOps built in SAST, DAST, container scanning, dependency scanning, and secret detection are all native features. For GitLab Ultimate users, results appear automatically in the security dashboard and in merge request security tabs. For free tier, the SAST template is still available. The GitLab CI.yml on screen uses the include keyword to pull official GitLab security templates, then overrides variables to configure excluded paths and scan targets. This is the lowest friction way to add comprehensive security scanning to a GitLab pipeline. Jenkins is still running 70% of enterprise CI/CD pipelines. The modern secure Jenkins file uses declarative syntax, stores all credentials in Jenkins credentials store using the with credentials block, never hard-coded. The power move is parallel security stages, semgrep SAST and checkmarks SAST and SNYKSCA all run concurrently, cutting pipeline time from 12 minutes to 4. The post block ensures security artifacts are archived even when the build fails. You always have evidence of what was scanned and when. AWS provides a complete native DevSecOps stack that most teams never turn on. Amazon Inspector v2 continuously scans EC2 instances, Lambda functions. AWS provides a complete native DevSecOps stack that most teams never turn on. Amazon Inspector v2 continuously scans EC2 instances, Lambda functions, and ECR container images for CVEs. Enable it with 2 clicks. GuardDuty uses machine learning to detect threats in CloudTrail, VPC flow logs, and DNS logs. It catches crypto mining, data exfiltration, and account compromise. Security Hub aggregates all findings and runs the SysAWS Foundation's benchmark automatically. The Terraform code on screen enables GuardDuty, Security Hub with Sys standards, Inspector v2, and CloudTrail with tamper detection. Your complete AWS security baseline. Default Kubernetes is insecure. Pods can run as root, mount host paths, use privileged mode, and call the Cloud Metadata API. Every one of these is actively exploited. Hardening Kubernetes requires 4 layers, RBAC with least privilege service accounts per workload. Pod security admission set to enforce restricted on all production namespaces. This blocks privileged containers at admission, before they start. Network policies with default deny and explicit allow listing. And Falco for runtime threat detection. It watches for shell spawns, crypto mining processes, privilege escalation attempts, and fires Slack alerts when it detects them. Defect Dojo solves the vulnerability management chaos that comes from running 10 security tools. You've got semgrep findings, SonarQube findings, checkmarks findings, Trivi findings, Zap findings, all in different formats, with massive duplication between them. Defect Dojo imports from 120 tools, deduplicates automatically, tracks remediation status, enforces SLA policies. Critical must be fixed in 7 days, high in 30, and generates monthly security posture reports for your CISO. It's completely free and open source, and it's what $50,000 per year enterprise tools do. Compliance automation is the difference between a security team that spends 3 weeks gathering evidence for every audit versus one that exports a compliance report in 30 seconds. Prowler is the gold. Compliance automation is the difference between a security team that spends 3 weeks gathering evidence for every audit versus one that exports a compliance report in 30 seconds. Prowler is the gold standard. It runs 500 security checks mapped to SIS, NIST, SOC2, PCI DSS, and HIPAA against your AWS account. The terminal output on screen shows a real PCI DSS v3.2.1 run 141 passing, 9 failing, 94% compliance score. You run this in CI/CD weekly, export the HTML report, and your auditor has evidence that your controls were working on specific dates. The most important concept in this entire masterclass, SAST, DAST, and SCA are not alternatives. They're complementary. SAST finds SQL injection by reading your source code, but it can't see that HTTPS isn't enforced at runtime. DAST attacks the running application and finds SSRF and XSS by actually sending payloads, but it can't read your source code to find logic flaws. SCA finds log4 shell by checking your pom.xml, but it's completely blind to custom code vulnerabilities. Using only SAST gives you 23% security coverage. All layers together gives you 95%. You need all three. Measuring your DevSecOps program correctly is what separates mature programs from security theater. The 4 metrics that matter: mean time to remediate critical vulnerabilities target under 7 days. False positive rate target below 15%, if it's above that, developers stop trusting findings. Vulnerability escape rate to production target below 5%. And pipeline coverage target above 95% of all repositories. Report these monthly to your CISO with trend lines showing improvement. These 4 numbers are your entire security program story. You've built the foundation. Now here's where elite DevSecOps engineers go next. The CK's Certified Kubernetes Security Specialist is the hardest certification in the cloud-native space and proves you can harden Kubernetes at a production level. Threat modeling with STRIDE methodology should happen before every sprint. AI security is the new frontier. LLM prompt injection and model supply chain attacks are zero control areas at most companies today. Supply chain security with SLSA framework and cosign artifact signing. App-based runtime security with Tetragon for kernel-level visibility. That's the complete DevSecOps masterclass. 25 chapters. Check marks installed and tuned. SonarQube blocking insecure merges. SemGrep writing custom rules. OWASP Zap attacking staging nightly. Triv scanning every container. GitLex blocking secrets at pre-commit. Checkove catching Terraform misconfigurations before Terraform apply. Defect Dojo tracking everything. Compliance automated. You now have the complete blueprint to build a production-grade DevSecOps pipeline from absolute zero. If this masterclass was valuable, hit like, subscribe, and drop your biggest takeaway in the comments. I'm the Network Knight 007 Ship Secure.